Exploring words, starting with L. His loony ideas made everyone laugh during the meeting. The ribbon was tied in a perfect loop around the box. The knot became a loose loop and eventually untied itself. The thieves escaped with a large loot of stolen jewelry. The villagers gathered to pay respect to their lord. A large lorry blocked the narrow road for hours. He didn't want to lose the championship after training so hard. She felt like a loser after failing the test. The company faced a significant financial loss this quarter. The store had to make up for the loss by cutting expenses. He won a small prize in the lottery last week. The music was so loud that we couldn't hear each other speak. She called his name loud out for everyone to hear. He laughed loudly at the joke, attracting everyone's attention. They relaxed in the lounge while waiting for their flight. The doctor found a louse in the boy's hair. She had a lousy day at work and just wanted to rest. I love spending time with my family on weekends. The weather is so lovely today that we should go for a walk. She has a very loving and caring personality. The fuel level is low. We need to refill the tank. He's been feeling low since he lost his job. We're running low on supplies and need to restock. This yogurt is labeled as low-fat and healthy. The dog is loyal to its owner and follows him everywhere. His loyalty to his friends is truly admirable. You need to lubricate the bike chain to make it work smoothly. He wished me luck before my big presentation. The idea of flying pigs is completely ludicrous. Don't forget to pack your luggage for the trip tomorrow. He missed work because he was suffering from lumbago. The old shed was built using leftover lumber. That lunatic idea actually turned out to be a huge success. We had a quick lunch at the cafe before going back to work. Smoking is harmful to your lungs and overall health. The fisherman used a shiny lure to catch more fish. He was driven by a lust for power and control. The hotel room was spacious and incredibly luxurious. A long holiday is a luxury I can't afford right now. She caught him lying about his whereabouts last night.